In this video, we're going to be looking at how to install and provision Deque for Excel, which should take no longer than 2 to 3 minutes. The first thing we're going to do is open Excel, and within this workbook, we're going to go to File, Get Add-ins, search for the product of Deque for Excel, add this product, accept the terms and conditions, and this is going to therefore add the product to the ribbon bar. We can go and select that now, and you'll see that you've got all of these functions, but they're all grayed out at the minute. So we're going to need to create an account or enter our details of an account we've already created. So if I click on account, I then get this ribbon bar on the right-hand side. And if you already have a API key or a password, you can enter it now. But if not, you're going to have to register for your new account. So if we register here, we get a pop-up to another web browser. You can log into your account that already exists, or you can register. So first name, last name, email address, register. And once you've registered, you go into your own portal and you will get sent your API key and password where you can start calling down your 1,000 free credits that you'll receive on registration. So you'll receive the API key and password. I already have one saved here, so I'm going to enter that, go and enter in the password, log in, and what you'll be able to see is all of these functions now light up and we can start to call them. And that's what we're going to be covering in the next video, how to actually call these functions and use all of these functions in the ribbon bar.